General outlook 2-week forecast the next couple of weeks. A very fascinating weather pattern because the month of October throughout the Great Plains and most of the upper Midwest really getting into some warm weather. We had some heat wave here in late September, and even as we segue into the first couple of weeks of October, looks like a lot of much above average temperatures. However, and it's a little far out for any really precise forecast and a little far out for any great confidence. But I am suspicious that we're looking at a mid-October switch to a much cooler weather pattern, and there would likely be some rain in the transition. Now let's take a look at the pattern and let me show you why I think it's so complicated. First of all, as we go through this weekend, the first weekend in October, it's a warm weather pattern coast to coast. Really, except for maybe New England and parts of the Great Lakes, we're really looking at a lot of 70s and 80s and some patches of 90s in the south. So it's really very, very warm. However, we're starting to see again, and we've seen this a couple of other times this fall season, the jet stream beginning to go in through some really widespread splitting. Now, when this happens, oftentimes the air in between just kind of goes to set mild. In other words, the cold air stays up north, the really hot weather stays south. And we will see, I think, a reduction in the really warm weather. But because of the dry soils and the general westerly flow in the northern high plains, there will continue to be some warm temperatures. And by this, I mean 70s and maybe some scattered 80s, that kind of weather pattern throughout the Great Plains. And it looks like that's going to persist for a while, at least throughout this first week. There will be some ridging. We may see some of those mid-80s and upper 80s and 90s climb back up to the central part of the Great Plains, but I don't think it's going to come any further north than that because this little ridge pattern is actually, I suspect, part of the beginning of a transitional phase as we start seeing a big low-pressure trough. Now, this is actually going to be this coming weekend, and it'll take some time to really manifest itself, but I suspect this will start pulling down much cooler weather into the northern plains. The really cold stuff, I think, will be in the Rockies, in the higher elevations. But we'll get some jacket weather, some coat weather out into North Dakota and South Dakota and parts of Minnesota at least as we get into this cooler weather pattern. That would be happening around the middle of the month. So what does that do for precipitation? Well, this week ahead looks warm and dry over the northern plains. What rain showers there are will be scattered along the eastern seaboard into the eastern part of the Corn Belt. There will continue to be some monsoon storms in the southwest, not widespread rain, but the risk for locally heavy rains is there, and some of the Pacific Northwest will get a little bit of rain. But the second week it starts getting interesting. As this goes big low pressure trough, the southeast begins to dry out, the wet weather shows up into the northern plains, and the higher elevations for the first time this year start getting some appreciable snow cover as we look at cool temperatures for the second half of the month.